Hello friends, in the series of BSc IPF, today we are going to discuss about gilt funds. If we have decided to invest in a debt mutual fund and if we are clear with the concept of price sensitivity, inverse relationship and convexity, then how a gilt fund can be of some benefit for a small investor, we will be seeing in today's session. Let us try to understand that what are gilt funds first. Whenever government is in need of money, whether it is a central government or a state government, whenever they are in need of money, through RBI they will issue papers in the market. So a mutual fund company, whenever they are collecting money from us, that AUM they are investing in the papers issued only by government, then that scheme will be called as a gilt fund scheme. Whenever government is issuing the papers, as these papers are issued by government, there is no credit risk. So the first thing we will understand is gilt funds have no credit risk. Then there is a huge liquidity available. So there will be no liquidity crisis. There will be huge liquidity in these schemes. So there is no problem of liquidity in gilt funds. Second thing which one should understand is, as entire money will be invested in the papers issued by government, it can be short term papers or long term papers, but majorly gilt funds will invest in long term papers. As we have seen the price sensitivity and we know the inverse relation between the interest rates and the bond price, as there are long term papers in the portfolio, if there is a slight change in interest rate, there will be a huge fluctuation in bond price. So the second thing we should understand, that in gilt funds there is big time interest rate risk. Third thing, that we can use these funds to restructure our portfolio. Those who understand the interest rate cycle, those who understand the asset allocation, when to shift their money from equity to debt and to debt to equity, those who understand all the concepts, they can use this gilt funds to restructure their portfolio. Like in last 1 year, gilt fund have delivered double digit returns. But while investing in gilt funds, we should understand the interest rate cycle first. So one can use gilt funds to restructure their portfolio. Then whosoever is investing in gilt fund should have the long term horizon. While investing in gilt funds, just compare the expense ratio and other ratios with other funds. The taxation will be same as of the other debt mutual fund schemes. For short term, you have to pay the tax according to the income tax slab. For long term, 20% with indexation. We have made a separate video for indexation. One can visit YouTube channel and see the video of indexation. So we should understand all the basics of debt market first, and then we should choose gilt fund to invest. So today we will stop here. If you want to know more about some different topic, please mention in the comment section. Don't forget to write your name along with your email address in the comment section. Also don't forget to say thanks to BSc IPF and SEBI. Thank you very much for liking our session. The same topic is available in Marathi and Hindi language. You need to visit YouTube channel for that. Thank you very much.